What a beautiful 1957 Ford Thunderbird, 312 V8, rebuilt motor, rebuilt tranny, restored about 25 years ago. It looks amazing. Beautiful black bird right here. I love the color combination. Black, red interior, which is also gorgeous. Automatic transmission, power windows. Black on the red, auto transmission, power windows. It's just really super nice, this car. The Ford-O-Matic transmission, 312, runs beautifully. You turn the key, she starts right up. Just a really, really nice car. We have the hard top, black hard top, white soft top. Sets it off gorgeous. HollywoodMotorsUSA.com. Look at this T-Bird. Beautiful black bird. Love it.